As part of our program, every patient receives Induced Native Phage Therapy, INPT, a revolutionary approach that helps your body eliminate harmful pathogens that may be keeping you sick. Combined with 40-plus hours of personalized, non-toxic therapies, in-depth in-house testing, and custom-prepared natural supplements, our program is designed to methodically unwind the underlying issues that other treatments have missed. We know this works because we've seen it thousands of times. Patients who arrived feeling hopeless, having tried everything, finally found answers here.
This is 100% personal treatment, which is making the difference, in my opinion. They are finding what will work on my body for me, what is the best, and it works.
The custom-made tinctures and the phages and the therapies all eased my symptoms. It was just a very good experience.
Our science-backed, holistic approach has helped thousands regain their health, even when nothing else worked. If you're ready to stop searching and start healing, your next step is simple. Contact us today and speak with a patient care coordinator to begin your journey. This is not just another treatment. This is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Biologix Center for Optimum Health. Real answers, real healing. Your journey starts now.